Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a light and refreshing tender coconut pudding, a perfect chilled dessert for summer. Here are the ingredients. We need tender coconut water, tender coconut pulp, milk, condensed milk, sugar and agar. In a blender jar, add tender coconut water, milk, condensed milk, sugar and tender coconut pulp. Blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into a pan. Add agar and stir well. Heat the mixture gently until it just begins to boil. Switch off the flame. Pour into ramekins or molds. Let it cool to room temperature. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until set. This dessert is perfect for parties, festive occasions, or just when you crave something light and sweet at home. To serve, run a knife gently along the edges, invert on a plate and tap the ramekin lightly. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. Your refreshing tender coconut pudding is ready to enjoy. Creamy, light and absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy desserts.